Hi bread friends, this is a quickie. I'm just home baking for us today, not really making anything new or super unusual family staples. So this is a rye bread I just took out of the oven. I did something different. I did not egg wash this. After I shaped the dough, I used a piece of parchment to shape it on, and then I sprinkled on cornmeal and rye bread and just rolled it in it, and I didn't egg wash it, so it has kind of a crunchy crust. Actually, though, I want to take you over to the oven. I made challah, and my challah recipe, even though it's a 2-pound recipe, it just fluffs up really big. So I actually braided it and divided it. Well, I divided it first and braided it. And I want you to see something. These look like they're done. They've been in the oven for about 30 minutes. They are not done. Because they look like they're done doesn't mean they're done. I'm going to tent them with foil, and then in about 10 minutes I will check their temperature. One of your best friends in the kitchen is foil, and these individual sheets are the absolutely perfect size. They do have a shiny side. Absolutely perfect size to cover the bread in the oven. I can show you on this rye bread, and you just, obviously this rye bread isn't in the oven right now, but this, you just kind of lay it over the top. Let me show you what that looks like over here. See, they're not connected or, tucked in or anything. They're just laid over the top. About 10 minutes after I tented them, took their temperature, and they were at 200 degrees, which is exactly what I wanted. So please understand, you cannot ever tell for sure your bread is done by looking at how beautiful and brown it is. I cannot tell you, when I was a beginner, the number of times I cut open a loaf that was beautiful and brown like this, and it was raw or partially raw in the middle. The Instant Read Thermometer is your very best friend, okay? You've got to get one. You open it. I've showed these to you in other videos, but you open it. I can't open it with one hand. Sorry, guys. You open it, and you stick it in. Really, just that first little bit is the temperature reading part, but you want to get it all the way down into the middle of the bread like that. I couldn't do it, in the oven. And then you wait till it gets to 200 degrees. It won't now because it's been out of the oven, so it's cooling down. But that's what you do. So again, foil is your friend.